Hello everybody, this is Dr. Harleen Sethi from Dontia Dental Care Kolkata. I am here with a series of videos on dental information and education. So let's begin. Today I will be sharing about the procedure of crown and bridge prosthesis. This is a process of replacing missing teeth, taking the support of neighboring, healthy and strong teeth. In this, teeth at the front and at the back of the area of missing tooth are shaped a bit so that they are ready to receive a crown. And this is how the prosthesis of a crown and bridge looks after getting manufactured in lab or in clinic in our case. Once the prosthesis is ready, it is fixed on to the teeth and this is how the missing tooth is replaced. This was one of the ways to replace missing teeth, and the other way is use of dental implants. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more dental related information. See you in our next video.